Hi, I'm Brian.
And I'm Sue.
And we are Kitchen Mart customers.
We had friends that had their entire kitchen remodeled by Kitchen Mart and their bathroom, and they highly recommended them. So the consultant did come to our house, measured everything. Then they created a 3D model of what our future kitchen would look like. It was just a very easy process and very transparent with the financials as well from the beginning. The same company that's helping you plan the design is starting with you from beginning to end. You're not having to go and find subcontractors, so it makes it so much easier.
Every day was right on schedule, and in fact, the Kitchen Mart crew was in and out of here early every day. I'd come out of my office after a couple-hour call and, hey, there's something brand new in the kitchen. It was like a little bit of Christmas every day while this thing was happening. We're really happy with the overall remodel. It feels like we've got almost a new home here. Our favorite part of the remodel, I think, is the copper hood. When you walk into the house and you see that hood there in the kitchen, it really is the first thing that people comment on when they come into the home. So we're really pleased with that.
It turned out exactly as we envisioned. It was wonderful.
We'd absolutely recommend Kitchen Mart, and we'd use them personally again. They're all great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a little bit funny when the project was over. We kind of looked at each other and we said, we're going to miss those people.
No one does it better than KitchenMart.com.